Our next challenge is we each have to make an animal noise, and whoever does the worst animal noise.
Oh, it's a donkey.
It's a donkey, yeah, it's a beautiful. Okay, he's asking.
It's a donkey.
I'll do one.
Oh, that's pretty
Yeah,
good.
good luck.
Decent
Yeah,
pig.
yeah.
Decent
All right.
pig. I was going to do that.
I threw it back.
Shit.
You touched it.
What is it?
Sounds like it's retching. Like.
Commitment, though. That was commitment.
Yeah.
Vic and Ethan.
This can't be shit, because like.
All the good animals are gone, please. What was that? I don't know, it was supposed to be a cow, but I forgot that one.